Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be having another African food mukbang, which is fufu. So if you have watched my other videos already, you probably know that I did another mukbang video where I ate fufu, and today I decided to do another fufu mukbang. Getting to love fufu, guys. So let me go ahead and get started. There is the fufu, as you can see, and then I'm going to add in the soup. There inside there is my soup. So smells so good. So there is my fufu, guys, with stew or with soup, as the West Africans call it. And I have different types of meats, like assorted meats, and there's a lot of garlic in there, a lot of chili, and yeah, and then I'll be having some water. So guys, I already washed my hands and I'm going to go ahead and start eating fufu. Fufu is eaten with your hands. So super spicy, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe down below to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment, like, and also watch my other videos. And until next time, I'm wishing you a nice time, nice day, good night, bye.